Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. But as you can see, I have two boxes right here. Basically, one is coming from Nike and the other one is coming from End Clothing. Basically, both pairs are the same shoe, and actually both pairs are going to pretty much followers of mine on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll have the link in the description as well. So let's crack this open right here. So this pair right here, again, it's an OG colorway, but I guess for some people it's not the best colorway, but you know, to each his own. Again, this one is from End Clothing right here. So they bag it and double box it, as you can see. Let's put that aside. As you can see, End Clothing right there. And crack this open right here. You can see End right there. You have the picking list and pretty much the one that packed it right there. So, End Clothing. So dope packaging from End as always. But here's the shoe right there. So this one is a size 10 in men's. So you can see they do have the two sizes, men and women's now. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, and this colorway is black, medium gray, white. So these are the shadow ones. As you can see, since it is coming from the UK, that's their tag right there. And this is the shoe itself. Again, the shadow ones. They were last released in 2013. And I know a lot of people were waiting for this release. But there you go. So you have the extra lace, you know, gray laces in the bag right there, and you do have the other pair right here. You know, it is tumbled on the heel over here. The black leather, it's pretty soft. There you go. So that's his pair right there. Let me crack the other one open, which is the one that's coming directly from Nike. So this one is coming from Nike right here. Again, you got the Nike receipt right there. And so this one is a size 10.5, which is a 12 in women's. Again, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, same colorway, black, medium gray, white. Again, suggested retail is $160. Just showing the pair. So here is the 10.5. Again, the same gray lace bag right here. You know, you got the tumbled swoosh right there. And here's the other one. You got the Air Jordan Wings logo. You know, definitely the heel is pretty soft as far as the leather on these shoes. You got the nylon tongue, you know, Nike Air in the tongue. But there is some, I guess, as far as the look of the leather, there is some inconsistency. Because on that size 10, this one was a little bit smoother compared to this right there. But it's still, you know, very nice, in my opinion. So those are both pairs, which I will be shipping out soon. So if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.